Let's see if we can generate some laws of logarithms. We know that there are laws of indices. Can we have similar laws of logarithms? And in one respect, we've already had the first law. So, let's have a look. Let's take two numbers, x and y. And what we want to be able to do is multiply x and y together as a general thing. So we'd say x is a to the power n, and y is a to the power m. Now this statement, x is a to the power n, is the equivalent of saying that the log of x to base a is equal to n. And this statement is the equivalent of saying the log of y, also to base a, is equal to m. We want to multiply these two together. So x times by y is a to the power n times by a to the power m. And what do we get here? A to the power n times by a to the power m means that we add the indices together. So that's a to the n plus m. So, what is the logarithm to base a of x, y? Well, quite clearly from the definition we've had, x times by y is a to the power n plus m, so the logarithm is n plus m. But n, we know, is the log of x to base a, the log of x to base a, and similarly, m is the log of y to base a. And so there we have our first law of logarithms, that if we want to multiply two numbers together, we get the log of the product by adding the logs of the two individual numbers. That's our